Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by immediately removing electrical risk. Turn the switch off, and if unsure, cut power at the breaker. Put on gloves so you can grip a hot or oily bulb safely. Place a ladder squarely beneath the fixture. Make sure it sits flat and locked. Once stable, stand with feet shoulder-width apart and test the bulb for residual warmth with the back of your hand. Then, prepare to unscrew or unclip the bulb. Steady movements reduce breaking risk. Begin removing the bulb by supporting it gently. If it's warm, wait a minute so you don't burn yourself. For screw base bulbs, grasp the glass near the base and turn counterclockwise until it releases. For bayonet or pin fittings, push slightly and twist as required. Use a cloth to keep contact oils off the new bulb and have a container beneath to catch any accidental drops. Make sure to inspect the socket for corrosion or debris before inserting the replacement. Install the new bulb by reversing the removal motion. With screw bases, rotate clockwise until snug, don't over-tighten. For push and twist types, align pins and engage firmly. Once seated, step down, remove ladder and restore power at the switch or breaker. Turn the fixture on to confirm brightness and correct color temperature. If it won't light, make sure the breaker is on, test the socket with a known good bulb, and inspect for loose wiring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.